One of the best things about coming to uni is the discounts you can get as being a student. So here's part 2 of my money tips for managing your money, and this is focusing on how to save your money. If you haven't already done so, download UniDays, Student Beans, or some of these discount apps that you can get for students. They'll give you 10 or 15% off pretty much every brand on the high street and online. If you've not got any loyalty cards like Tesco's Club Card or the Nectar card, make sure you get these. Save usually about £5 to £10 on my shop, just on the offers that they give me from having this loyalty card. Is coffee your complete Achilles heel? Well, I think it's mine. I bought an espresso machine on Gumtree for £10 and I make coffee that's barista style quality every morning for very cheap. If you've already got any subscriptions like Netflix, the gym, Spotify, make sure that you got the student version of this. This is honestly such a big thing that people don't realise. If you're like me, you probably spend hundreds of pounds a year getting back and forth to uni on trains, and honestly, if you haven't got a rail card, this is your time to do so. You can get a free 4-year rail card with a Santander bank account by just opening it. Honestly, this is the deal to get, but if you're not eligible for that, then you can buy a rail card for about £30. If you'd followed my tips my last time as well, and you've got a digital bank like Revolut, Monzo, Starling, something like that, then you might have a roundup feature, which I always find really useful, just saving the little pennies here and there. And finally, if you don't already do so, follow the Guild, because they have so many giveaways and student living cost initiatives which you can take part in. And they even gave away enough meal kits last month to feed 1,000 students. So if you're not following, this is the place to be. And follow along for part 3, where I'll be discussing how to grow your wealth.